What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some swarm traps, so if you guys can, please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Hey guys, so we're going to be explaining what a swarm trap is, so let's get into it. So here, Eli will explain this.
This is our lemongrass spray that we spray to attract the bees to the swarm trap.
And inside we have got this used frame that has a comb on it. So, and these are empty frames. They got wire, and the bees, if it's not leveled out, the bees will build it level. So you got to make sure your swarm trap is leveled out, so they'll build top to bottom. So that way that you won't have a wonky comb. So here the bees go in, and so they send out scout bees to check and see if it's if it's good enough for the queen. So then, if they think it's good enough, they go back and they get the queen, and they bring all the other bees, and they move the queen into the beehive or the bee trap. So once the bees move in, we keep them in there for about a week or so, and we make sure that that queen is laying eggs in the frames, and then we pull the hive off, the bee trap off the tree. So then we go put it into a beehive.
Here behind us is our other swarm traps, and we paint some of them green and brown, and we at least hang them up to 8 to 10 foot.
Last year we used 3 of these green bee traps, and we'll put some videos of us catching some swarms last year, and this year we're using 10 brown ones, so this year we'll have a better chance of catching swarms. Okay, so here, this is where the bees enter, and then when we're ready to take it off the tree, we turn it to this position to where they can't come out, and also to where they can't suffocate, so that way we can move them to our beehives. As you guys can see right here, these are some of our bee traps from last year, and we hang them about 8 to 10 feet. And as you can see right here, my uncle caught a few swarms at his house, and as you can see, the bees at the front are telling the other bees to come in, and they're working the front door. And as they work that, they're basically telling the other bees, hey, you can come in and all that. So and right here we have a bee trap on a power line. It has a few bees coming in and out. There's maximum of 50 scout bees that'll come and measure out the bee trap, so that way they make sure it's good for the queen to come in, and they just come in and out, and they'll check it out and make sure it's good. Right here we have the smoker ready. We're about to move these bees to this 5-frame box, and those bees are still in the beehive. And this is back at that power line. The bees are still going out consistently, and they're still checking it out, seeing if it's good for the queen still. And here we're making sure the queen is in the box, and our good friend Terry was there to make sure that, as I said, the queen was still there. She was there, and we would just want to make sure of all that. And there's the box after we were done. They were going crazy, and they were running, fanning the inside and running the door again and all that. The queen bee was still in there, so she's all good. And we caught that one. She's in a beehive, and she's good, and she's hatching bees and stuff. Right here we have another bee box. We had to check and make sure it still had the queen in it, and it was hung up against a tree. This one was hard to get, but as y'all can see, capped brood right there, and all the bees are clustered right there. They got all the baby bees in the capped brood. Thanks for watching.